Hello students, in this lecture we are studying linear inequality in two variables. In the previous 2 weeks we are studying equations and inequalities. If you remember, first I explained you linear equation. Linear equation means any equation that is in one variable, that is 4x plus 3 is equal to 7. So what is the value of x? This is a linear equation. Okay. Then next lecture we study linear simultaneous equations. What was here? Here we have only one solution, one value of x. Whatever the value, it will be one value of x. So if we have equation 4x minus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x plus y is equal to 6. So here also x and y have one value. Means only a single solution. Clear? That we studied. Now in the next lecture we study linear inequalities. Linear inequalities. Okay, what was the linear inequality? Like 4x plus 1 is equal to, not equal to, while it will be, there were four symbols. It is less than or greater than equal or less than equal. Say some number, say let us say 13. Clear? So if you remember, here we have only one solution. Here we have only one solution, but here there are many solutions. Because if you will solve it, you will get, let us choose less than. So x less than 3. If x less than 3 is the solution of this linear inequality, so what values x can take? X can take less than 3 means it is 2.9, 2.5, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, up to minus infinite. It can take any value because x is less than 1. That means if you remember, in inequality we learn how many solutions are possible. In linear equation, one solution. In linear simultaneous equation, we have one solution. But in a linear inequality, we have more solutions. But now we are studying now linear inequality with two variables. Now we are going to study linear equations, linear inequality with two variables. For example, like let us choose 3x plus 2y greater than 6. This is a linear inequality in two variables. Clear? So here also the same thing, because it is inequality. Number one, the solution of this will be an ordered pair. Ordered pair means there will be one value of x, one value of y. Clear? So if you see x is equal to, let us put x is equal to 4 comma, not x is equal to, let us put x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. Clear? If we put, so 4 times 3 is 12 and 4 times 2 is 8 and 12 and 8, how much? It is 20 and 20 is greater than 6. So 4, 4, this is called ordered pair. This is ordered pair. Is the solution. Is the solution. This is one value I take. Now I am taking x is equal to 3 and y is equal to, let us take same 4. So it is 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 2 is 8, it is 17. 17 is also greater than 6. So what does this mean? 4 comma 4, not 4 comma 4, here is 3 comma 4. x is 3, y is 4 is the solution. Is the solution. Clear? Now, if I put x is equal to -2 and y is equal to, say, I put y 8. Clear? So what we'll get? 2 times 3 is -6 and 8 times 2 is 16. It is 10 and 10 is greater than 6. So -2, 8 is the solution. So what is the conclusion we are drawing? That in case of inequality, inequality means if we have greater than, if we have less than, if we have greater than equal, if we have less than equal, then there are many solutions. There is no limit, many solutions. You need to find, there are many solutions possible. But how will you identify how many solutions and where is the solution? Clear? If you remember in the graph, if you draw the graph of a means linear equation, it was a point. Clear? Linear simultaneous equation, there were two equations. Okay, if you remember, we study graphical method also. And in linear inequality, we have a graph like this one, like for greater than this side and for less than this side. If it is less than or greater than, it was a circle. If it is less than equal or greater than equal, it was a black circle. If you remember, these things we studied. But here we are studying linear inequality in two variables. So how we are going to solve them? So how we are going to solve them? First, find x-intercept. First find x-intercept, then find y-intercept. First find x-intercept, then find y-intercept. Okay. After finding, joining the points by a straight line, because linear equations graph is always a straight line. This is point number 3. After joining, how type we will join? If it is less than or greater than, by a dotted line. Dotted line means like this one. This is dotted line. Clear? But if it is less than, equal or greater than equal, by a solid line. Solid means like this one. This is okay. After joining this, next important point is put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in the equation. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in the equation. If it is true, solution will contain center. Clear? If it is false, solution does not contain center. This is how we are going to find the solution of the clear. And solution means the solution, the most important thing is the solution, or you can say the straight line divide the region in two parts. Region into two parts. All these things we will learn with the help of an example. But first you need to read this slide again and again so that you can understand the concept behind solving a linear inequality in case of two variables. Okay, so we will solve 4 or 5 questions here so that you can understand in a better way. Okay, so example number 1, it is graph the solution set. Graph the solution set for 2x minus 3y less than 6. This is the equation. Clear? So how we are going to do? First, we will find x-intercept. First, we will find the x-intercept. Clear? By considering them equality. Equality means first we will take them 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Now we will find the intercept, x-intercept. X-intercept means put y is equal to 0. If we are putting y is equal to 0, how much we will get? 2x minus 0 equal to 6. Divide by 2. It is 6 by 2 and x equal to 3. Clear? So what is the x-intercept? 3, 0. This is how we find x-intercept. Now point number 2. Y-intercept. Clear? Y-intercept means put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means 0 minus 3y equals 6. So minus 3y equal to 6. Okay. So divide by minus 3. 6 upon minus 3. This cancelled. So y is equal to minus 6 divided 3 is 2. So what is the y-intercept? 0, minus 2. This is the longest method. While what you can do is you just make the table. This is the shortcut technique. Clear? For first line and for second line. Okay. So make 2 rows and divide it into 3 columns. Okay. Right here x, right here y. Right here 0, right here 0. Because if you want to find y-intercept, put x is equal to 0. So what is the value of y? It is minus 2. If y is equal to 0, what is the value of x? It is this one. So you can calculate, you can form this table, and this is a better way to solve any inequality. Okay. So on the next page, we will draw this one and learn how we are drawing. First we find the x-intercept, then we find the y-intercept. Then this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It is 1, 2, 3. It is minus 1, it is minus 2, it is minus 3. Let us see what are the values. Values are x3, y minus 2. x3. X is this point and y minus 2 this point. Clear? Now these are the 2 points. You need to join these 2 points by the straight line, like this is the straight line. Okay, but this is wrong. Why this is wrong? This we are not going to mark line like this one, because if you see here is the symbol less than. I told you if symbol is less than or greater than, it will be a dotted line. If less than equal or greater than equal, it will be a solid line, continuous. Okay, so we will make a dotted line here, and what dotted line we are going to have? Like this one. This is the dotted line. What is this line? It is 2x minus 3y, and it is greater than or less than? It is less than. less than 6. Clear? Okay, so this is the line that will divide the given region into two parts. Okay, so now we will put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, what will get? 0 minus 0 less than 6. 0 minus 0 is 0 less than 6. 0 is less than 6. It is true or false? It is definitely true because it's always less than 6. So it is true. True means the solution set will contain center. This 0 0. Clear? Where is 0 0? This side. So what is the solution? Solution is this side. This is the solution because solution is not a one value. Solution are many. So this region is the solution. You take any value. This is the solution. This side no solution. You take any value here means in this let me draw red one. So if you check red one, it is not a solution. It is not solution. Clear? Yeah, here no solution. But in paper we do not mark this no solution. So we will not mark these lines. We will carry only the this area and you take any value here in this region. This is the solution. So this line is creating two parts. One part is downside, it is white, one side is shaded. And you can call this, what was the question? If you read the question, what is the question? Question is solution set. So this is, you can write solution set. This is the answer. Okay, so if you are putting 0 0 and if it is true, then this side is the solution. If it is false, then other than 0 0, other than this point is the solution. If it is by chance in place of true it is false, then this side is the solution, this side. Clear? But now it is true, so this is not the solution. So this is the actual solution that we have. Understand? Okay, now we will take another question. And let us take some equality question. Question number 2. Clear? Find the solution set. Find the solution set of, for 5x plus 2y greater than equal to 10. This is 5x plus 2y greater than equal to 10. Okay. So what is the first number point? First consider it as inequality. It as equality. Okay. So it is 5x plus 2y equal to 10. Now find x-intercept. X-intercept is how much? Put y equal to 0. So it is 5x equal 10 and divide by 5. It is 10 upon 5. So x equal 2. So what is the x-intercept? 2, 0. Okay. Now point number 2. It is y-intercept. Y-intercept. So for y-intercept what we'll put? Put x is equal to 0. And x is equal to 0 means 0 plus 2y equal 10. So divide by 2. How much it is? Y equals to 5. Therefore 0, 2 is the y-intercept. Or like I told you in the previous question, we can form the table also. It is entirely up to you how you are solving. You are solving by writing x-intercept and y-intercept, or you are solving by make the table, write here x is 0. So what is y? It is 2. Put right y 0. x is equal to, no, this is little correction. It is not 0 comma, it is 0 comma 5. It is 0 comma, oh sorry, 0 comma, this cancel, 0 comma 5, and this is 0 comma 5, and this is 2 comma 0. Okay, so these are the values. Now we will draw the on, okay, 2 5. So order pair is 2 5. Okay, so first write the x-axis, then write the, oh sorry, little not straight, like this one. Okay, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis. It is 1 2 3 4 5, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5, 1 2 3 4 5, and this is 1 2 3 4 -4 -5. Okay, so it is, what were the values? Values were x2 y5. So like here, x2, this is, and y2 2 4 and 5. This is the point. Clear? And one more thing, if you see here, the question is greater than equal. Greater than equal means it will be a solid line. Clear? So let us draw the line here, and it will be like this one. Oh, little more up. Yes. It is not coming straight. Again, incline little bit. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, no problem. Now it is okay. So what is this line? This line is 5x plus 2y greater than equal to 10. Okay, this is the line. And what is this point? This point is 2 comma 0, and this point is 0 comma 3. This is, and this is 0 0. Okay, so what was the next step and last step? It was put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So it will be 0 plus 0 greater than equal to 10. 0 plus 0 is 0, greater than equal to 10. Is 0 greater than 10? No, 0 cannot be greater than 10. It is false. It is not true. It is false. And false means what? Now this will not be included in the solution. Clear? So other side is the solution. Other side means this side. Right. So you need to make these lines like this. This one. So this side is the solution set. Other side is not the solution set. Okay. So this is the solution set. Please remember how we are doing. It is very simple. First you need to draw this line, and then by putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, you need to find whether it is true or false. True means it will contain, solution will contain origin. False means solution will not contain origin. It is other side of the origin. Okay. So this is the solution set. You can call it, this is solution set. This is how we are developing the solution set. Understand? So you can solve many questions like this one. So I have solved 2 questions here, and now we will move to the solution of linear inequalities in 2 variables. Clear? Now we need to study 2 equations because it is 1 equation only. But if we have given 2 equations, so how we are going to solve 2 equations? It is same to same. It is not changed. Only the part is, now you need to solve 2 equations. In place of 1 equation, you need to solve 2 equations. And it will be very, very easy. It is not going to be very difficult. Clear? So we will take it as a example number 3, and it is means it is not different, it is same to same. Okay, so let us solve it. Find the solution set. Find the solution set of. Now there will be two equations, x plus y greater than 5, and what is the another equation, x minus 2y less than 2. This is question number 4 on page 65 given in your course material. Okay, so we have choose this question. So what we are going to do is we will divide our screen into two portions. One, we will consider this as a equality, x plus y is equal to 5. Another, we will find out, consider this as a equality, and we will try to find the x intercept and y intercept. Okay, x intercept means put y is equal to 0. So how much it is? It is x plus 0 equal 5. So x is equal to 5. So 5 comma 0 is the x intercept, and y intercept, it is put x0, it is 0 plus y equal 5. So y equal 5. Therefore 0 comma 5 is the y intercept, or you can make the table. Entirely your priority. You want to write like this one or make the table. So x is equal to 0, or you can, x is equal to 0 means how much y? 5, and y is equal to 0, what is x? 5. This is the first one. Now solve the second one. So it is x intercept, clear. So put y0. So how much it is? It is x minus 0 equal to, so x is equal to 2. So therefore 2 comma 0 is the x intercept for equation 2, and y intercept, put x0. So 0 minus 2y equal to 2, divide by minus 2. 2 cancelled everywhere, so y equals minus 1. So 0 comma minus 1 is the y intercept. And now you can make the table. X, y, x is 0, y is minus 1, y is 0, x is 2. So these are the x intercept and y intercept of the equations. Now we need to graph these two equations, means these two straight lines on xy plane. So let us choose the xy plane. And the first equation I will draw by the black color, while second equation I will draw with a different color, so that you can identify, you can see the difference between the two. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus, okay. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus, okay, like this one. Clear? Okay, so let us consider the first one. It is 5, 5. 5, 5 means 2, 2, 4, 1, 5 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. This is, but we need to see whether it is, oh, this is greater than. So the solution will be a dotted line. Okay, so it will be a dotted line. Let us join this. It will be yes. This is the line. What line? It is x plus y greater than 5. Now we need to put x0 and y0. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So 0 plus 0 greater than 5. 0 greater than 5. It is false. It is false. False means what? Other side will be the solution. So this is the solution. Please remember. This side is the solution. So first line I have graphed with black color. Okay. Now let us choose the color red. Now we will take the another equation, and what are the 2 and minus 1? It is 2, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. And what it is? It is x minus 2 less than means dotted line. Okay, so it will be this. This is what line? This is line x minus 2y less than 2. This is. Okay, so this is this line. Understand? Okay. Now put 0, 0 again. So put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So it is 0 minus 0 less than 2 and 0 less than 2. It is true. It is true. True means now this will be included in the solution. That means this side is the solution. Now you need to search the solution where both the lines are there. Clear? Let us choose the different color. Now see, here is one line, here no line, here is one line, here is the two line. So this is, I'm making this. Where both the lines are there, this area. Clear? So this area, black lines are there, red lines are there. So this is the solution set for two equations. So if you take any value from here, from this region, if you take any value from this region, understand, that will satisfy both the inequalities. Please remember, that's why this is the solution. This is the solution. Clear? So you need to make it little dark. This is the solution set. Clear? This is the solution. Red is the solution set for equation 2. Black is the solution set for equation 1. But this blue is the solution set for both the equations. That means this region satisfies both the equations. This is the solution. Hope you understand how we are finding the solution of both the equations. Clear? So this is, you can say, this is the another way you can say this is the intersection of both solutions. Intersection of both solutions. So this is how we are solving the linear inequalities in two variables. Okay. So one more question we will solve and then finish. Let us choose one question from the book and we are choosing question number 3. Okay, so it is example number 4. Find the solution set. Find the solution set. 3x. Oh, symbol is not given. Okay, let us choose positive. Plus 4y greater than 12. And another equation is 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y is equal to, oh, this equation we have already solved. So let us choose 3x minus 2y. Change the question. 3x minus 2y less than 6. Okay. So we have changed the question. No problem. We'll find the solution set. Solution set here, you will not get a particular value, means you will not get the value of x and y. There are many values of x and y. That's why we are finding a portion, region. Okay. So like the previous question, we will divide it into two parts, and here we will consider first equation as equality, and here we will consider the second equation as equality. Clear? If it is up to you, if you have sufficient space, sufficient time, you can solve this question like previous question. But here I will tell you how we are going to get the shortcut technique. This is the shortcut technique we are going to use. This is, we are dividing x and y. Here this is 0. Let us take this 0. Let us take this 0. And similarly, we are going to have here x, y, 0 and 0. Clear? Now if x0, look, if this x0 means what we'll get? 4y equals to 12. If we divide by 4, how much you will get? 12 by 4. So we will get y is equal to 3. Okay. And another one is, if you put y0, so it is 3x plus 0 equal to 12. Divide by 3. X equals to 4. This is how you get it. This is simple rough calculation you need to show. Okay. And here, if you put x is equal to 0, so what will get? 2 minus 2y is equal to 6. Divide by minus 2. So y equal to minus 3. Okay. Now put y0. 3x minus 0 is equal to 6. 3x by 3. 6 by 3. X is equal to 2. This is. So this is the shortcut technique to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. Here the x-intercept and y-intercept, if you see, y-intercept is 0, 3. X-intercept is 4, 0. Here y-intercept is 0, minus 3. And here x-intercept is 2, 0. This is how we find it in long run. Now the graph we will make, and like the previous question, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. So what is the first equation? Let us see. It is 4, 3. 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is, and 1, 2, 3 here. This is. These are the 2 points. But let us see whether it is greater than, only greater than, no equality, greater than, equal, only greater than. Greater than means it will be a dotted line. So now make the dotted line here. This is, what is this equation? This equation is 4x, 3x plus 4y greater than 12. 3x plus 4y greater than 12. Okay. So what is the next step? Put x0 and y0. So it is 0 plus 0 greater than 12. 0 greater than 12. No, this is wrong. It is false. And false means what? The other side of the origin. The other side of the origin. will be the solution. This here. This is the solution. Okay. And this question we have taken almost same like the previous question. No problem. Because, okay, now 3x, it is 2 minus 3. It is 2. Let us choose the red color. 2 and minus 3 here. Now, because it is also not equality, so let us make it the dotted line. So it is little up. Okay. So this is the line 3x minus 2y less than 6. 3x minus 2y less than 6. This is the line. Okay. So if it is a scale, then it will be more better we can make. Here it is not perfect. Okay. So put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. It is 0 minus 0 less than 6, 0 less than 6, and 0 less than 6 means it is true. True means this side up, including origin. This side is the solution. So the red showing the solution for equation 2, and black showing the solution for equation 1. Okay, now we will choose the blue color. Where are the two lines? Like the previous question, this upper corner is the solution. This is the solution set. Make it dark so that it can be visible from distance. Okay, this is the intersection of two solutions. And intersection of two solutions means it is the solution set. This is clear. So you can solve more questions given in your book, and that's all for chapter number 2. That was the last lecture for chapter 2. Please take care. Thank you very much. Bye bye.